Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Qubo camera not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now, if your camera is failing to connect or stuck during the setup, don't worry, you can try these simple solutions. First of all, you need to understand one thing. Qubo cameras don't support the 5 GHz Wi-Fi. So you need to go to your router's setting and you need to connect your phone to the 2.5 GHz network, and then you need to try the setup again. This is the number one reason of the connection failure. Once you do this, you just have to simply press and hold this power button, and then you need to wait for at least 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a reset prompt or until you see blinking light. This is going to clear old settings and also fixes the pairing related issues. Now, during the setup, you need to keep your camera, phone and router very close. Weak signal can also stop the connection process midway. Now you need to double check your Wi-Fi password carefully. Even a small mistake or extra space will cause the connection failure. Now you can also allow the app permissions. For that, you need to open your phone's settings and make sure that Qubo app is given the location access, the Wi-Fi access, and the Bluetooth access. So missing permissions can also block the setup. So make sure that it has all these three permissions enabled. Now, if none of the methods is working for you, you can just simply restart your router and then you can basically try again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.